Kaitlyn. I'm here at Naples Outfitters, and we're continuing to keep Southwest Florida rolling at DeVoe Automotive Group. We're continuing our special where when you come in and purchase a new or used car, we're going to give you a $200 gift card to use at any locally owned Southwest Florida business, such as this one. Let's go inside and meet the owner. Naples Outfitters. One of my favorite things to do is go paddleboarding. So I'm in the market for a paddleboard. Maybe I can check one out today. All right, let's go. Hey there, how are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Good, thank you so much. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, absolutely.
So tell us a little bit about your business and the things you have to offer here.
Great. So we are Naples Outfitters. We have everything you need to get out on the water. We have kayaks and paddle boards and all the gear that goes with it. So hats, shirts, sun protection is key when you're out here in Florida.
Absolutely.
Yes, paddles, all the accessories. So we have all those things. We also rent all those things as well. So paddleboard rentals, kayak rentals. We do eco tours. One-stop
cool.
shop.
And if I wanted to come in and rent a paddleboard or something like that, where would I go and put it in the water?
Anywhere in Naples that has a launch. So,
wow, really?
Yeah,
okay.
We can go to Clam Pass, we can go to Rickery Bay, you can explore all the mangrove areas here, you can go anywhere.
Awesome. Very, very cool. And now, okay, this is so cool. What even is this? I don't even know.
Yeah, so this is a fishing machine. This is a Hobie Pro Angler, and this is made for if you're out there fishing all day, 7 days a week. A lot of people in Naples have fishing as their lifestyle, as their career, and this is kind of the boat for them, really.
Wow,
Yes.
that's so neat. Now, how long have you been in business?
So the shop has been in town for about 15 years in
Okay.
different locations, and I took over about 2 years ago.
Gotcha, awesome. I feel like right now, more than ever, people are probably just wanting to get out of their
Yes.
house, wanting to be in nature, and it's a great way, whether you're paddleboarding or kayaking or doing any of these things to kind of still be social distancing from
Yes.
other people, but it's a way to still get out and do
Absolutely.
something. I love that idea.
Absolutely.
That's great.
Yeah.
Now, this is a huge store though. Oh my gosh, you have so
Yes.
much to offer here. It's really, really awesome. And like I said, we're doing a promotion with local businesses at DeVoe Automotive Group. So if anyone comes in and purchases a car from us, we're going to offer them a $200 gift card to use at any locally owned Southwest Florida business.
That's great.
And they could use it here, whether they want to rent something or purchase some retail things, and seems like you've got it all covered.
Yes, yeah, you can do everything here.
Awesome. Well, come on in and check it out.